Welcome to Homeschool for American Adults. Hi, I'm Donna Marie. In today's lesson, we are going to learn to use the rhythm of sound to speak the sound of words. We're going to form words that rhyme with the blended letters ES. So far, in earlier lessons, we have learned about one type of rhyming words where some words that rhyme have the same lettering at the end of the word. In today's lesson, we will see that words can also rhyme, though they don't have the same lettering at the end of the word. Some words rhyme merely because they have the same ending sound, though those words do not have the same lettering at the end of the word. The words that we form today will rhyme because they either have the same lettering at the end of the word that creates the same sound, or the words will rhyme because the ending sounds of the words sound the same, though the ending lettering is not identical. In forming words today, we are going to put one vowel and one or more consonants together to form a blend which will allow us to form many words using that blend. What is a blend? A blend is two or more letters put together that when we sound out the letters together, they can either make two separate sounds or they can make a whole new sound. In this lesson, we are going to form 3 to 4 letter words where letters that are put together to form words will make separate sounds. And as we sound out the words, we will hear their separate sounds. Let us begin forming the first word. Today, we will use the vowel E with the consonant S to form the blend that we will use to form words. As you can see, we use the vowel E and we put the consonant S at the end of the letter E to form the blend ES. Let us sound out the blend together. Say the E sound, eh. Say the S sound, s. Now say the E sound and the S sound together smoothly, S. Great job. Now, the blend S is not a standalone word. What is a standalone word? A standalone word is a word that has its own meaning in and of itself. Therefore, since the blend S in and of itself does not have a particular meaning, it is not a standalone word. The blend S is merely used to help form words that are standalone words. In this lesson, we will only form words using the blend S. All the words that are formed with the blend S will have the same ending sound. When words have the same ending sound, they are called rhyming words. When we read rhyming words, reading words from memory becomes easier, making us a faster and more confident reader. Here on the board, we have the blend S written many times. Here, the blend S will be used to help us form words. In this lesson, we will put a consonant at the beginning or at the beginning and end of the blend to form a 3-letter word or to form 4-letter words. The consonant letters that we put at the beginning of each blend will make its own sound when we sound out the word. However, when we add a consonant at the end of the blend, S, on the board, we will cause there to be two identical consonants side by side. When two identical consonants are side by side within a word, when we sound out the letters together, they make one sound. Now, let us make a 3-letter word and the 4-letter words that rhyme with the blend S. When we put the letter B at the beginning of the blend S, and we put a letter S at the end of the blend S, we form the word best. Let us sound out the word together. Say the B sound, B. Say the sound of the blend, S. Say the S sound, S. Now say the B sound and the sound of the blend and the S sound together smoothly, while remembering that when identical consonant letters are side by side, they make one sound. Now, sound out the word smoothly. Best. Great job. When we put the letter L at the beginning of the blend S, and we put the letter S at the end of the blend S, we form the word less. Let us sound out the word together. Say the L sound, L. Say the sound of the blend, S. Say the S sound, S. Now say the L sound and the sound of the blend and the S sound together smoothly, while remembering that when identical consonant letters are side by side, they make one sound. Now, sound out the word smoothly. Less. Great job. When we put the letter M at the beginning of the blend S, and we put the letter S at the end of the blend S, we form the word mess. Let us sound out the word together. Say the M sound, mm. Say the sound of the blend, S. Say the S sound, S. Now say the M sound and the sound of the blend and the S sound together smoothly, while remembering that when two identical consonants are side by side, they make one sound. Now say the word smoothly. Mess. Great job. When we put the letter Y at the beginning of the blend S, we form the word yes. Let us sound out the word together. Say the Y sound, Y. Say the sound of the blend, S. Now say the Y sound and the sound of the blend, S, together smoothly. Yes. Great job. Now, let us review the words that we have formed in this lesson. Remember that we are to sound out the letters in each word with a smooth flow when we read the words. Ready? Repeat after me. Best, less, mess. Yes. Great job. Congratulations, you made it to the end of Lesson 7. Now, before I give you an assignment to do, I want to use this opportunity to give clarity to you as to why one of the words that we formed have a capital letter at the beginning of that word, just in case some of you are wondering why one of the words have a capital letter at the beginning of that word. The reason why I use the capital letter at the beginning of one of the words is because one of the rules for using capital letters is that we are to use a capital letter at the beginning of a special name of a person, place, or thing. Within this lesson, we formed one special name that people can personally use to name themselves or others. Therefore, we begin that special name with a capital letter. The special name that we formed is best. We will learn more about when to use capital letters in future lessons within Homeschool for American Adults Learn to Write section. Now, I have an assignment for you to do. Your assignment is to take a few minutes every day and review the words that we formed. And remember that we are to sound out the letters in each word with a smooth flow when we read the word. If you find it difficult to read the words, remember, you can always rewind this video and practice again. Never move on to the next lesson until you can read each word smoothly using the sounds of the letters together. When you can read each word with ease, you are ready to move on to the next lesson. See you there. Now, we have reached the end of this session, but before you go, please, if you've experienced the joy of learning to read today, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you will know when a new lesson is uploaded. Thank you for joining me today. It was a pleasure teaching you. Bye-bye.